What's up, you guys? It's Armand here with Hydro's Garage. I'm really excited to bring you our new episode. Today we're featuring Hydrosilex Ceramic Waterless Wash. This is our second bestseller, a truly popular product and a must-have in your garage if you're detailing at home and you're looking to take care of your car. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the product, some things you should look out for when applying it, and basically how it works. So check it out. I'm going to walk you through it right now. Today our test car is a 2015 Audi S4. The paint on this thing is absolutely immaculate. So the reason why you need a ceramic waterless wash is, let's just say your car is pre-coated with Hydrosilex Recharge. You take the car out for a quick drive, you come back and it's a little dusty and you want to clean the dust off the car. You don't necessarily want to just take a microfiber towel and wipe it down. So you might say, well, what product do I use? What do I need? How do I get this done? And so that's when Hydrosilex Ceramic Waterless Wash comes into play. This is essentially a quick detailer. It's ceramic infused, and it's designed for you basically to be able to wash the car without having to use soap and water. So this is really good for instances where the car is lightly dusty, it's a little bit dirty, you might have some road grime built up behind the wheel over here, particularly on the back it might be dirty. This product works really well on the windows as well. It works great on vinyl, it works great on paint. If you have PPF, it works on that as well. So it's a really, really great product, super simple to use, and basically just comes really in handy for when you're going to a car show. If you've just recently washed the car, it got a little dirty, you want to wipe it down. Excellent, excellent product for that. So let me walk you through some of the basic steps on how to use it. So you want to make sure the car is obviously out of direct sunlight. As you can see here, we don't have too much heat in here. We're in the garage, so the paint is nice and cool to the touch. Very important. You can do this outside. Just make sure that the car is not hot and that there's not direct sunlight beating on it. So if you want to, let's say, wipe down the hood, all you do is you take the product, you simply, well, let's adjust this. You don't want to shoot it like that, because then you're getting a lot of concentrated product in one area and you're using too much liquid, which is what you don't want. So what you want to do is you want to dial the sprayer back. You want to get a light mist just like that. So just finely mist the surface like this. What that's going to do is it's going to settle in. It's designed to be a lubricant. So this product is basically a lubricant between the paint, the dirt, and the towel. So if you, for example, weren't using a waterless wash and you go to take your towel and you drag it across all the paint, it's going to scratch it because all that dirt is digging into the paint. So the waterless wash really helps provide that protection between the paint, the towel, and the dirt. It's going to pick them all up, it's going to encapsulate the dirt, and it's going to make it easier for you to wipe it off. So once again, let me just show you guys. Mist the fine amount onto the paint. Take your towel. You want to make sure you're using a laser cut, edgeless towel, no seams on it, no tags. This way it ensures that you're not scratching the paint. You simply take the towel, put it down, and in a circular motion with very light pressure, just simply buff. That's it. Easy as that. This is a detail spray. It's ceramic infused. It's going to leave a very thin layer of protection behind on your paint. If you already have Hydrosilex Recharge on there, even better. It's going to add extra protection to that and help maintain your coating. As you can see, there's a lot of streaking still left behind. That's because there was a lot of product on the surface. If this happens, it's no problem at all. You take a second microfiber towel that's dry and just watch me work the product in a little bit more. You're leveling it out. It's a quick detailer, just like that, and boom. And then you flip your towel, go back to the dry side, and that's how it works. Easy as that. Now, if you want to come over here, check this out on the side of the car. This area always gets extremely dirty. Why? Because it's right behind the wheel and it's exposed, so all of the grime and the dirt is always building up on the lower half of the car. So if you're ever doing waterless wash down the side of the car, you want to make sure that you mist it and do a little bit extra down here so it can really lubricate the surface. And then take the towel and just gently glide it from the top to the bottom, just like that. And that's all you got to do. And then it's going to pick up all the dirt. It's going to be inside the towel. You want to flip it, go to the clean side, and just buff it out. All right, guys, so to recap, I just want to go over a few of the things that we covered here today and how to successfully use Hydrosilex Ceramic Waterless Wash. Things to look out for. The car needs to be in a cool area, not in direct sunlight, and the panels need to be cool to the touch. It's okay if you do it outside, just make sure that the car is not hot, because if it's hot, it's gonna make spraying and wiping the product off an actual nightmare, just because it's gonna dry super quick for you, so it's gonna be very streaky. It's really important, because it's a ceramic infused product, to try to do it when the paint is cool. Secondly, if the car is actually really dirty and filthy, don't use this product, because it's just not going to be very effective. These are instances where the car is lightly dusty, lightly dirty. It might have been a few days since you washed it. You got a little bit of road grime on it. So it's kind of that hybrid between the car needing a full wash and the car is just a little bit dusty or a little bit dirty. So that's really important to look out for. You don't want to try to do too much with too little. In instances like that, you might end up scratching the paint. So just kind of, user beware there. And then lastly, it's a really great product to work over a car that already has the recharged ceramic coating. Because this is ceramic infused, it leaves a really thin, nice, glossy layer of ceramic on top of the recharge if you already have that. So it's going to help maintain that. You're going to get the best performance out of the recharge and ceramic waterless wash combo. For people who have an alternative coating on their car, if you have, let's say, another brand ceramic coating on it, you can also still use the ceramic waterless wash over it. Works beautifully to just wipe down the car. It's safe to use on the glass, so you can use it on the glass. Once again, you can use it on vinyl, paint protection film. Matte paint works very well as well, so you can pretty much use it on just about anything. And you simply just wipe it on, wipe it off. And one of the things that you want to make sure you have is just our Hydrosilex towels. These are laser cut, edgeless, once again. No tags or anything like that on them. So when you put them on the paint, there's going to be nothing that scratches the towel. All the towel manufacturers have a seam and have a tag, and without knowing, you'll be scratching the paint with that. All right, guys, that wraps up today's episode of Hydrosilex Ceramic Waterless Wash. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please drop a comment in the comment section below. Like and subscribe to this channel. Hopefully you guys like the content. We look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much. Take care.